If you saved your Lumion project, there's 3 different ways you can get back into the editing mode to continue to make changes. The first way is if you just finished saving it, in which case you can move your mouse over to the right-hand side and then find the picture of the guy holding the shovel. If you click on that button, which is called the Build button, it will then take you back into your editing mode and you can continue to make changes to your scene. If you did not just finish saving your project, perhaps you saved the project and then closed Lumion down for the day, you can open up your scene again by, after launching Lumion, finding your tabs going across the top and picking the middle tab. And this one is called Load Scene. You'll then see the last 9 saves to your scenes for those scenes that you've been working on. And then you can highlight over the appropriate one and then click on that in order to open up that Lumion project. If for some reason, during the last 9 saves, that is not the last project or that is not the project that you want to work on, what you can do is you can then load that scene up and then continue to work on your project after loading the scene. To load the scene, over toward the right-hand side, in fact, it's the second tab over from the right, there's an option called Import Full Scene. And this is going to be very useful to you over the course of these exercises as well, because there will be an exercise file for each of the different scenes we'll be working in. So I'm going to select on Import Full Scene. I'm going to click this little X here because this probably is not the exact same picture that you're going to see. There'll be a button here that says Import Scene. And if I select on Import Scene, we'll then get this dialog box that comes up. And then you can go try to find those Lumion scenes that you've saved. Select on it, click on Open to load up that Lumion project. In the case of our exercises that we'll be doing, be sure to go to the Working Files folder, which will be on your desktop. And in your case, you'll have a much longer list of these files that'll show up here. I'm creating these files as I'm going along, and the one that you're going to look for is going to be called Importing a Model. So you may need to scroll down to find that. When you do, highlight on Importing a Model and then click on Open. You'll then see a preview of that exercise that you want to work on. From here, you can come over here, select on the check mark, and now that's going to open up this file. If you select it on a different one of your own projects, you'll then see that project showing up here in Lumion for you to continue your work.